Easy grilled fish. Ingredients: 5 shallots, 1 tablespoon ginger, 6 garlic cloves, 1 green chilli, salt to taste, half teaspoon black peppercorns, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, juice of half a lime. Seer fish fillets. Grind the ingredients to a paste. Coat the fish fillets with the spice paste. Let it marinate for 2 hours. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Sprinkle 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Add the marinated fish fillets. Flip the fish when one side is done. Cook until both sides turn light brown. Enjoy your delicious grilled fish.